And our Narayana Murthy, Chairman Emeritus of Infosys, said that Cyrus Mistry will do well as Ratan Tata's successor, even as the group will face challenges from their international businesses.
The biggest legacy of Ratan is that he has demonstrated extraordinary growth. He has grown the group from 2 billion to 100 billion or something like that, in a factor of 50 times. All of this he has done legally and ethically. All of this he has done demonstrating the highest level of integrity. And all of this he has done with a sense of courtesy, grace and humility. These are lessons enough for ages. These are lessons enough for business people from all over the world.
Right. As he really steps down today, he's leading a group that's huge and also very diversified. What sort of challenges do you think this leadership transition is going to see? I mean, from where you stand, what sort of challenges do you really see?
Well, I think as you become larger and larger, you confront bigger and bigger issues, more complex issues. But then, as companies become larger, you also have resources to handle these. So therefore, while there will be bigger challenges, many of them international, because Tatas have a huge international presence, but given the fact that Cyrus is a smart person, he is youngish, he is dynamic, and he has the support of Ratan and others, I have no doubt at all that he will continue, he will perform and be worthy of the name of the House of Tatas.